"80 years ago marked the beginning of a remarkable journey. A journey adorned with love, laughter, and countless cherished memories. Daddy Romeo and Mommy Incar were blessed with 8 children: Evelyn, Rebecca, Angelita, Elenita, Imelda, Evangeline, Ram, and Ricky. Today, we celebrate a special woman at the heart of it all, our beloved Mommy.
There's a certain kind of beauty that can't be found among the young, where you're settled and you're safe in your own skin. You might not see it in the movies, but you know it's real because every wrinkle tells the story of the places you have been. Countless ocean hours forming freckles on your face, wildflowers that will only bloom with age, learning how to love who you are along the way. You're growing older and more beautiful each day. If you feel a little tired, it's because you've come so far and your eyes reflect.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Mommy! Happy birthday, Mommy! Happy birthday po ngayon! Wish ko po sa inyong mahabang buhay at malusog na pangangatawan. At humaba po ang oras ng ating pagchat-chat. Miss ko na po kayo. Love you!
Countless ocean hours forming freckles on your face, wildflowers that will only bloom with age, learning how to love who you are along the way. You're growing old.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Mommy. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Mommy. Happy 80th birthday po, Mommy.
Happy birthday po, May! Ang aming pong prayers for you ay patuloy kayong lumakas at biyayaan pa ng mahabang buhay para lagi tayong magkasama at masaya. We love you so much po!
I love you, Mommy. Happy birthday po sa inyo. Lagi po kayo magpalakas at magpagaling.
Happy birthday, Mommy. I love you so much.
Ikaw.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Lufik. No.
Forming freckles on your face, wildflowers that will only bloom with age, learning how to love who you are along the way.
Maging mabait kayong lahat, sa lahat ng takot sa Diyos. Huwag kayong kaaway. Naway manatili ang ating pagmamahalan upang ang biyaya ng Diyos ay manatili sa atin.
Dapat masaya. Bakit mayroong iyak?
I was born to fly and spread these wings and find my own. I am coming home. Today will be the day, it all will take. Nothing, no one's in my way. Today will be the day. Today will be the day. I was made to dream that
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Mommy. May, happy birthday! Malayo man po ako sa Pinas, pero gusto ko pong malaman nyo na kasama ko po kayong nagsiselebrate ng birthday nyo. At nagpapasalamat po kami mga apo nyo na sa lahat po ng mga naitulong nyo po sa amin mula nung bata pa po kami. Kayo po yung nag-alaga sa amin hanggang lumaki po kami. Kaya sobrang swerte po kaming mga apo nyo. Yung wish ko po, sana patuloy po kayong bigyan ng mahabang buhay pa ng Panginoong Diyos at ingatan niya po kayo at pagalingin po pa sa mga sakit para pakasama pa po kami namin kayo ng matagal. Salamat po, Mami! See you soon po!
Today will be the day it all will take. Nothing, no one's in my way. Today will be the day.
Happy birthday po, May. Ingat po lagi dyan. See you po next year. Sa work po po ngayon.
Happy birthday po, Mami. Naway may masaya at malusog po ngayong special na araw. Mahal na mahal po namin kayo. Sana po ay gabayan niyo pa po kami palagi.
Today will be the day.
Hi, Mami! Happy 80th birthday po! Salamat po sa pag-alaga sa amin nung bata po kami. Miss na po namin kayo na may mabigyan po kayo ng malakas na kalusugan. Kita-kits po soon. Love you!
Looking for, we've been waiting. We won't wait no more. Every season, every memory made, all the dreaming led us here today. Can you see it? We got a beautiful story. Every moment on and on. We got a beautiful story. And we've only just begun. The best is yet to come. The best is yet to come. Never felt my heart beat so wild while the sunset.
Sa aming pinakamamahal na Mami, nais ka naming batiin ngayon sa pagsapit ng kaarawan ng inyong pagsilang at dalangin po namin ang mabilis na kagalingan sa inyong kalusugan. Irigalo po sa inyo ng Ama ang mga biyaya at mga pagpapala. Ipagkaloob po sa inyo ang lubos na kaligayahan sa araw na ito ng inyong birthday. Mami, happy birthday po sa inyo.
It's like running through an open door. It's like finding what you're looking for. We got a beautiful story. Every